If men want to increase their erection strength, the first choice would usually be to get a prescription for Viagra, the drug that is a panacea for all erection problems. The word Viagra and the association of the word with the image of a blue pill is so strong it is a modern-day brand. In fact, it has become so popular, men want to try Viagra just to experience what they think will give them Superman performance all night long. In order to obtain Viagra, you will need to be assessed medically for history of health that could pose a risk from using Viagra. A history of a heart attack, for instance, will probably mean you will not pass to qualify for prescription. This is why generic Viagra that can be bought without prescription can be dangerous for people who have heart disorders. You will usually have to pay for the blue pill, unless you can prove you have a physical problem that causes the impotence, such as diabetes, or a nervous disorder, in which case you should get it for free under the NHS. There are, however, many alternative products available to pump up the power of your erections to make them harder and longer lasting. The problem of impotence existed long before Viagra became available, and the various methods of treatments used before the days of Viagra is still an option. It is a common problem that men's erections become limper and shorter lasting than they used to be, and by using any of these products can help you increase your erection strength again and enjoy a better sex life. There are various devices you can use to help you get an erection. You can, for instance, use a penis pump to help you get an erection or to pump it up again as it starts going limp, and then use a cock ring to help keep it up hard for longer. Once you know that Viagra works by increasing blood flow to your penis, a healthy blood flow is key to having harder erections. In order to keep your circulation healthy and ensure healthy blood circulation to the penis, then adopting a healthy lifestyle can help improve your erection strength. By quitting smoking and drinking, less toxins and free radicals will clog up the arteries, thereby improving blood flow and circulation. If you are prepared to quit in order to improve your sex life, then you will also lead a healthier life. An alternative to Viagra is the use of certain herbs that have been traditionally used in various cultures around the world to treat impotence before Viagra even existed. These herbs can improve blood flow to the penis by allowing blood vessels to dilate more and increasing nitric oxide in the blood, which helps the erection stay hard. These herbs are used in male enhancement pills, and can stimulate sexual desire, increase arousal and help you achieve erections that stay harder. After you take some male enhancement pills, you will feel the ingredients working and the blood flowing into your penis will fatten up your penis, as the blood vessels expand and penis muscles relax, allowing increased volumes of blood to enter the penis. This natural herbal alternative works very similarly to Viagra, but because Viagra as a drug is much more potent and works in minutes, whereas the herbal route will take a bit longer for the effects to properly kick in, but in the long run is a much more natural solution, and much cheaper. Viagra will cost a lot just for 2 or 4 pills. In addition to pills, there are now many creams available, which contain the same ingredients as the pills, but the difference is the ingredients from the creams enter the body transdermally, through the skin, and is applied directly to the penis, and the ingredients penetrate the skin and enters the bloodstream. Using a combination of pumps, pills, and creams, you can increase your erection strength naturally without the need for Viagra.